before I go, I'd like to leave you with a little idea I had to make charity a bit more interesting. I think we should get 15 of the fattest Americans and then tattoo the name of a charity to their head and then push these fat fucks off the Empire State Building. And whoever makes the biggest, bloodiest splat gets $10 million donated to the charity of their choosing. Think how much fun this would be. Think about it. It will be a great way to raise money for charity. It will slowly but surely get rid of obesity. And think how entertaining it would be to watch that. Really, think about it. You're driving into New York City. It's early. You don't want to be there. And to humor you a bit, you turn to your left where you see 15 fat, obese motherfuckers jumping off the Empire State Building, each of them eclipsing the sun as they plunge into their self-chosen final destination, each of them hitting the concrete like water balloons, blood and bodily fluids flying everywhere. One fat asshole lands on a puppy. Not a puppy, a cat. Yeah, I hate cats. Fuck cats. He lands on a cat, and the fat asshole's so heavy that he pressures the cat, and the cat's eyeballs pop out, and the cat's eyeballs are bouncing down the street, and there's an old blind man walking, and he trips on the cat's eyes, and he falls, and his fake teeth shoot into the sky, and they're shattering into the heavens, and there's a building lowering a piano on a rope, and the fake teeth shatter through the rope, and the piano falls, and lands on a group of Native American orphans on a field trip. I know, it's awesome. And the blood of orphans plunges into Times Square, but it's a hot day. So the kids use the blood of the dead orphans as a slip and slide. And it's chaos everywhere. And they need to report this on the news, so they get the hot anchor woman to go on and report this. And all the way in New Jersey, yeah, New Jersey, fuck New Jersey. So there's a thing on New Jersey, and a sick psychopath is watching this on the news, and he gets turned on by the hot anchor woman, and the chaos and the violence, and then he starts jerking off, and his demon shoots into the sky, and goes across the Atlantic Ocean, and hits some poor bastard who's dancing in the fields of Scotland. So that's what I think we should do to make charity a bit more fun. Thank you. Let's not let that grow like a disease.
Yeah!
Yeah. That was a disease because it was pretty painful to hear that pathetic applause. So I'm going to go and have a bit more fun. Go and get locked in a straitjacket on a little bus and hop to the mental institution. Thank you very much. Bye.